Aziyimba flatinga.
Kakati Brad ulirize Roblozi bannange no show si abayimbi ya comedy show sibwe kiri bwoba ofunye chance ni bakuwa no yimba siruba lutalo eno show ya comedy
Wachature bari nkore media TV ndi Beazini ZJ Serebu Wambara kandi erizoba kiri omukivuru eta beach comedy eterumu MC Mariati tunemu amoto mbaranguzi tipo nabandi binja bakaba bari konka bana bayongera kweto mbita kandi abantu bareba Robrosa stage yana performinga konka kwendera yakora statement egumire nyondo garuke mu statement ejo kugira ngo babanze bamanye kugeza aho kumanya
so nagambira MC Shukrani namujira MC Shukrani reka twebanze takadaga kira kindi nkitona reka twebanze abo kwa Shukrani yiza stage bamwesere ngo yanzura beshongozi aba bari backstage bambanenga 20 abana they paid on entrance to come and show their talents. These guys were never hired, you get, but they came to show their talents and they paid. Then and there's their session because the owner of the show have session yabo ungatiwe nga MC no believing ngotoka na beshongore show there yawe baba session yabo you want to make them fail to sing
wajangu yaza ya shongore bya shongori
15 songs za Nigeria nguna bangers una hypinga people are you there see you walk one check it even he went on ahead kuisactinga band ngwe shongore igana ko shongore arutfratinga bwa band MC Achimanyi his role is to help these guys to perform because he has been given a chance to showcase his talent already.
Kaskuya kuba weba mwesera bya program kandi cyamuzebera kubeta kiriye cyo kujanga
muri yawe out program yawe out ya in session ya upcoming artists session ya poor ad and session ya MCs session ya MC ya wayo MC ya na performing na stage Yoni Shukrani bijamgadinjire because of staying on stage for long bouncers no agenda they had to leave the stage
okurgayo aro omuntu mwajango Robrosi inkoragana yena nabajyo mu music ninje ngo kwatagana ngo ni worukita wempara nothing kumanya
atikaba first of all check my DP Kunana is my DP and MC Shukrani is doing a very good job because now he has come here now when you go manda abiyayimire performing Shukrani was delaying perform because MC Lithan was delaying perform because of Shukrani oshagera
akwatete sharo arori
service fast talot Bega so sabana balala tubawe chance yabo nabo oshagera why do you think the world should see alone
chimanyisa ngo nkoragana yabeshongozi ba naba MC ba tekadiro
some MCs I made a najirango Western Uganda we have some few wrong elements in the industry without having a quarter microphone, but because they think they're having microphone, they are misusing it. They are misusing it. Tovaraba radio was coming out to say to Sengu abachi bimaba na ba chance question ngora bakabaje na watch stage. MC was Kacheche is a munyangole. Ayatumire gundi ayatumire gundi choose that shongora. Those songs they had to sing. Now it is Shukrani, the same thing happening. So why are we blaming Baganda?
Kato shanu zengu Shukrani ya koresho viwe no mhabu wabuzichi Itachire kora Tuebanze Yarna ajirangwa chishong majita beach comedy Konga show ero tiball Ero some other things as culture dance But he's saying musicians shouldn't sing because it's a comedy show, so musicians shouldn't sing. That's a mistake. How do you say that? It is all crafty. Me, I can do comedy. I'm a comedian, but if I can do comedy, what you imagine now? Now, why are you saying I shouldn't sing? Because it's a comedy show. Because you have a microphone, that's wrong. No way, I've been quiet for 5 years. I think it has kept me going slow. They have kept doing wrong. Yes. Nyonkanye nitekateka ni weakness yaba organizers for today. Akuba no ngano wawajire obyoma byara.
Organizers are very okay, but the people who they trust them with their businesses are wrong people.
All right.
Wanga ulira Nina Inte wants to have some artists here whom we can hire alongside people. Ochule neta mulaba. Bana wastakeholders bamulaga bamachansi yokumuleba moshongozogo. How will Nina Inte hire me when he can't see me performing? You get?
I get you.
Now, how will these guys make good videos, make good radio hosts? oshagera mutabaye chance performing anse barebe.
All right, ezo nensonga za Robros kandi we murebe wakore Media and Bears in ZJ of Savage ni wende nawe DM Swagga yo com production nawe nabandi bona bitukubantu tukora nawe. I sign out for now. Mwebare mnongo. Aha, tukiri asho yitu ya beach comedy tulikatete. Ejini nkore Media and Bears in ZJ Serebu Wambara. Kandi tunyene umwe obana bagamba ninga MC Shukrani omwari ba MC abakusinga ya umurembo rwambara abatuyene bakora events. Konkeri izo batuyene ensonga z'abana bari muri ba complaining. MC Shukrani watu yuma stage. Robros ari kwendera yaku attacking directly on stage. Notigamba
Robros cyo kubanza yarenda kweshongera shongoroka mukaga. Ekyakabiri sheje n'emitware ebiri. Ezinisha zingayi. Ezinisha zingayi.
Shamukaga neda zaba mushanju.
Zaba zingayi. Shamushanju. Upcoming artist nabona shongora shamushanju.
Robros atiri upcoming.
Ndeni kubuza. Ine ba upcoming abari sawa abakwenda kweshongora. Sheje tiyanje ko muntu. Banyese kwisha kora ki? Kora. Yaja 25 bingabi yashongora wa Nigeria. This is our job. Kukora na shongora. Nicho tukumanyeki, you know? Kanti abantu cyo bakwenda mwenu n'aba audience ndabashamerirwe.
Bari mubashamerirwe.
Ati ni familiar stage nakora.
Ari muna hyping eceshongoro cyo kimwe ki.
Ebyeshongoro bari na shongora. No yabyeshongwire. Ati abantu ngabo nabo ine kuba jasoka kabarugaho.
So abana no shango nkoragana yaba MC nabeshongo zitekagire hoji.
Echi
nkoragana aba MC na nabeshongo
abivuru. Abayimbi babulamu kwetereza. Bo bafunye chance bakuwayimba ukitegera.
Kufuna burundu cyakabi.
China bazoda kubanga choka. Shoot
I like that melody in the morning when you calling me name. In your Roblos, that kind of love that you show me. Then DJ Guta, baby, I wanna know you, I wanna know more of you, I wanna feel you. Oh, let me love you, let me touch your body, baby. I say to love, show me love. You couldn't wewe shota alika. I say to love, show me love. You baby wewe shota alika. Show that love, baby. We should have done it. To your love, show that love, baby. We should have done it. Hold my hand, otakane kura. Jinyoeji, otakampe mura. Yeah, I'm in love with your body. Okomoka iwe kazoninga kashari. Tell me that you gonna kill somebody, baby. You gonna kill somebody, liver. You gonna kill somebody, baby. I hold tight waiting there. You gonna kill somebody, baby. You're the light in my room, mamma mia. Courage, you know, and I bet I need to come back to the valley. Better love, I should make me money, baby. Oh, I'm in love with Chara, you gonna sukari. Penana pepe, met Murekana. Baba, I'm a Sunday. Follow me. I to love, show me love. You couldn't even shut a candika. I to love, show me love. You couldn't even shut a candika. Show! To love, show me love. You couldn't even shut a candika. Love, show me love. You couldn't even shut a candika. In a puran, Muku Rachel Peta. Listen now, reggae music hall. Listen. Show. Oh na 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 na. Hey, shut. Oh, girls and management. Play it. Katambura mumana setu sansi every day. Show. Tete bantama yeah. Yo when you chantera. Show. Kobete zona, kaunga munda. When I don't come in, danza you are in there. Kezia, show. Kezia, a kiss chikanje kundo posha. Kezia, I promise, you never let go. Kezia, Kesi kanje kuno tosha. Kezia, promise you'll never let go. Oh na 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 na, yeah. Oh yeah yeah. Oh na 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 na, yeah. Oh we come shoganda, mawaya mutenda nizire na chisimbonya. Cheza tere maringwa, chisha mtutu chagambiro mwitababo mawanizire. Chugoko na muyaga kabundu bibumba. Kezia rasta chance, Kezia ya, Kishkanje kundotosha. Kezia ya. Your promise is never let go.
Sure.
Kezia ya.
Mama kubira mukara wanyu Mr. No Bros.
Selecta, kuluta ninga hale kale. Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.